So here, let's do the same calculation using a graphing calculator. The first thing we're going to do, which you've already done before, is go to our lists by clicking the Stat button and choosing the first option, Edit. Then I put my data pieces into this list. They're all there in the order they were originally given. Then I'm going to go back to my Stat button, go over to Calc, and the first option is one var stats, one variable statistics. That's what we want. So I click Enter, and it asks you which list we want to calculate statistics for. I put all my data in list 1, so I leave that there. If I needed to change that for some reason and change it to like L2, or if L1 wasn't already listed, I can get to L1. It's the little blue L1 above the number 1. So I just click second and then 1 to get that L1 in there. At that point, I just go down and hit calculate, and it's going to give you a ton of information. The first thing I see is the sample mean, 3.875, that we calculated by hand. There it is right away with no work. Epsilon again means sum, so the sum of all 8 pieces of data is 31, in case we needed to know that. And there's the sum of those data pieces squared if we needed to know that for some reason, which we don't right now, but that would be 137. And look at this, S sub x. The standard deviation of this sample is 1.552647509, which is the exact same thing that we got doing it by hand, and it took a fraction of the time. Below that, we have sigma x. If this data represented a population instead of a sample, we could use this, which does not include the degrees of freedom. N, the sample size is 8 here. The minimum value is 1. I can click my down arrow and see even more. My median is 4. My Q3, my third quartile, is 5. My maximum point is 6. Tons of statistics in this menu here with just a couple clicks of the buttons. So we're going to use that function a lot. If you didn't catch it, make sure you rewind and try it on your own.